I gotta actually predict where she's gonna hop all the time. Okay, it's either hook this or hook this. Which one? Decisions, decisions, decisions.
Vengeance golem gathers no rust. Welcome to Summoner's Rift. The magic calls.
Which one?
30 seconds until minions spawn. You remain focused.
Oh shit, Blitz moves his hips, dude? I did not know that. It's pretty sexy, actually. He shakes his ass, dude. What the hell? I've never seen that before. Huh, interesting. I learn something new every day. Yo, Blitz can fucking work it, man.
As long as it takes.
I got hit, but it's okay. I have regen. Holy shit, I regen that really fast. Oh my god. Did you see that? I took a hit off Gromp and I'm full health within like seconds. That's so weird. Alright, I guess I can take hits. Alright, let me see. Let me try to take some hits from Thresh. Oh my god, I heal it almost instantly. You can waste their time following me. I have regen, son. Let me see that regen. No. Just regen it all back, watch. Oh shit. Rip. Twelve seconds, 10 seconds. Yes, he is. This one. And this isn't a fucking smart cast. Yes, this regen is working. How mid lane? How's mid lane going? I'm roaming. There's a huge wave on Pantheon's end. I'm gonna fucking take advantage of it. Just fucking kidding. Can I get level 3 off that? No, I can't. MF, no. Hey, look, I'm full health. Okay. I'm gonna go. This gives even more regen, right? This gives mana regen. Oh, that's spell to you. No, yeah, so please. What's up, Parky? That Blitzcrank god pull, you feel me? I'm fucking down a level though, because I fucking did that stupid ass roam mid. Didn't get anything. Noise. Ooh. Kalista. No wards for me. Get this. Yeah. This is level 4, so it's MF. Damn, hit me instead. Damn, I took a lot of damage there. Man, I can't do anything about that. Come on, Pantheon? Nope. Elise is dead? Okay, yeah. Fuck Elise, man. Not cool. Yasuo getting destroyed right now. Let's see. Alright, I got some wars this time, guys. Let's do this. Need our top laner to do well. But he seemed like a rager since the start of the game, so I don't expect too much from the guy. Two? Yep. Okay, so we're heavily warded. Should be fine now. I'm gonna hook. If I hit Kalista, I can do like beeps. She's playing behind me so smart. I'm just gonna let MF poke for now. Oh my god. Elise. Elise. Bro, this guy is fucked, man. This guy is fucked. Are they gonna? Elise is coming mid. So close to 6. Emax is pretty strong on that. Like, she does a lot of damage and she procs Thunderlords. What's up, Sakura? Yes, this is what's right. Hit me instead. Alright, we got Thresh. Yes, we did. And MF got it. That's good. Okay. At least might dive this. Or they might dive this. Ooh, I'm regenerating really fast though. So. Just kidding. Fuck. I thought I regened enough. Maybe I should have gotten what's it called? Targans or something? Maybe Targans would have been better. But I did want to try Frost Queen's Claim, but then I didn't devote my rune page to AP, so maybe Frost Queen's Claim isn't that good right now. But we'll see. Hi Savina. When I play Blitz, I go balls to the wall, but I die. Yeah, like, I know that feeling. I do the same thing, but you gotta like balance it out a bit. If you balance it out well, then like you're chilling, man. I should probably get fucking coin. Coin sounds like a better to get. Oh. What the fuck? She just stood there, dude. Fucking free hook. Loving it. Can't help out him though. Okay, so Lisa's gone. Bot lane's kind of pushed up there. Okay, Ari's leaving, so I can't. Oh my god, he's still dead. Is Aurelia shut down? Please shut her down. Yeah, she's shut down. I think they might drag. Probably can't do anything about that though. Yeah, they're dragging. If I got my ulti off, dude. Fuck. MF kill one. MF kill one. Yes. Q. One more auto. Rip. It's over. Fuck, man. I didn't get my ulti off. That sucks. Nice. Okay, we did get one out of that. Fucking dove me. If I got my ulti off, I think that was a triple. Maybe I shouldn't have tried to punch one up first. I should probably ulti as early as possible when they dive me. An emote for you, Catablitz. I feel like they have no correlation with each other. I feel like you're gonna be I don't know about this, man. Alright, they got him. Ooh, I'm liking it. Nice. Oh, this pink. Pink's gotta die. He's here? Oh. Alright, Thresh back for me. Damn, this volley's really strong. Seems like he's really tanky. Yeah, I can't do anything to help there. Oh my god. Ooh, the saves. Good shit. Fuck you. Ugh. I know Lisa's in here, and they're low. Free pink for me. No, fuck. I had that. I fucking had that. No. I thought she was gonna hop more backwards. And she hopped towards the wave. Okay, I'm over excited for this. Just kidding. Rip. Was Ari's farm? Yeah, no, okay. Ari's pretty ahead because Pantheon's been roaming. So then Ari just stays mid and farms. And Pantheon didn't really get any kills off of it, so it's pretty good. Is Kalista gonna stay? Okay, Kalista's not gonna stay. Kill him! Nice one. Fuck yeah, dude. That's what I'm talking about. Oh shit, she was low. Fucking A. Damn, I can't even get fucking Mobies. Oh, yeah, so tilt. Hello? What's up, Luckies? I'm 22 years old. Okay, I got my Queen's Claim. Let's see how much work this ship puts in.
You remain focused.
And she lives with the flash. Fighting till the end. Okay, I can't. Kill him. Kill him. Easy. Sorry, dude. Sorry, I don't have those things up right now. I can't even tell you this song, to be honest, because it's a playlist. Might be, bro. I don't even know what to build next. Oh, they have a shit ton of armor. So I build armor. I mean, AD. At least is the only one, but I thought she's gonna focus me hard. Kalista. Oh, and Aurelia. Holy shit, there's like 4 people there, dude. I have my boots of swiftness. Yeah, let's do this. Yeah, so dead again. At least kill one. At least kill one. Regression malice. Okay, that's fine.
An enemy has been slain. An ally has been slain.
Volley knows.
As long as it takes.
Nice. Going in hot right now. Ari's a lot bigger than the Pantheon, which is good. Pantheon roamed a lot, but I don't think he got his team ahead enough. Fuck yeah, dude. We in this. I doubt we can Baron. I doubt we can Baron. I don't think so.
You remain focused.
Holy shit, dude. Oh my god, hello?
As long as it takes.
Hello? Oh shit. Rip it. You're gonna Baron with Kalista there. But we have an MF ulti.
As long as it takes.
Rip, easy. Fuck, man. Okay. I have swiftness. Oh, good. Slows are nothing to me. Oh shit, are we gonna go? Okay, let's do this. Okay, this should be free. Oh my god. Wreck. We're fucking wrecked, dude. Kill this before it kills me. Okay, cool. Did you get LP back? No. No. Hopefully this is my way to get LP. Hopefully I'll get LP from this. Can I go Zeke's? No, I don't feel like going Zeke's. They have a lot of armor, right? I'm gonna go fucking Frost. No, not. What is this? Iceborne. Arino. Nice, we lost 2 of our Baron buffs, and we have to wait 40 seconds. Usually when you get Baron, you want to fucking back, heal, and group. That's what you want to do as Baron when you have Baron. You don't want to fucking go out and get more kills and die for it. Because then you just waste your Baron buff, you waste time. It's kind of pointless. But you know, volley, MF, we've got the idea of team play. There you go. Dude, don't fuck with the Frost Queen's claim blitz. I'll tell you that now. Shit, he hooked me. Just gonna stay near MF. Just make sure MF is untouched. Okay, this game's over. Oh shit, why am I tanking? This makes no sense. It's over, boys. GG. I gained LP back. The 6th streak, losing streak is gone. Is gone. It was worth the assist. I missed the hook so that they can commit on me, knowing that I die, and then we get a kill on him. That's how it works. GG's. Oh my god, people actually stay to watch my blitz. So happy.